I am going to explain to you right now how it works if you want to post to your Instagram, but without showing the post in people's feeds, but only on your profile. I understand why you may be confused, because there was a feature like this on Instagram, and actually it wasn't that long ago. Essentially, when you went in to post your photo or video or whatever it happened to be on your Instagram, you got a pop-up or a toggle that you could enable. And the toggle basically said, post quietly on Instagram. But for whatever reason, this feature is now gone. It's not appearing on my devices, and the people I know don't have this option either. So perhaps it was just a test from Instagram, but a lot of people seem to like this feature. Regardless, now it's gone, so there's not much what we can do about it. One thing though would be making sure you keep your Instagram up to date. You can check App Store for potential updates being available. When it comes to current options, you can still publish your posts for your close friends. When you choose that, only selected people will have the ability to see your post. But obviously, it's not the same as posting quietly on Instagram. Anyways, that's it from me. At least I wanted to explain how it works. If you found this information helpful, let me know. You can like the video, subscribe, or even leave a comment if you wish. Thank you.